Yes. Now we have sound. So I was saying that this is the 8 account that I'm trading, the 300K account that I bought. That I need to hit $20,000 in order to get funded 2.4 a million dollars, and we're short. And this is just a simple 150K evaluation. I need to hit 9K. I'm up 6K. This is an old one that I am trading back from a deep pullback. So this is that account. So let's see what else we have here. I'm gonna leave this running, this gold shorts running smoothly. We're running at 1 hour. So let's look at some mini S&P 500s. We had some. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. Either I get stopped out of break even here, or I'm gonna make it at for targets. Yeah. Thank you. Gracias. Coffee. So fading gold right now after CPIs is good. So my housekeeper very nicely just brought me some coffee. Some coffee. Now, fading S&P 500 is not a good advice. Now, wow, look at this Japanese yen longs after CPI. I got stopped out on my Japanese yen. Well, I didn't get stopped out on my Japanese yen longs yesterday. I closed them at half a loss. Now, these evals, I'm going to close them at 1K or so. Actually, these evals are good, $800 good for for these evals. So I'm going to exit them on a break. On a break of these lows, I'm going to exit my gold longs. Most of them. There you go. All right, exiting here, gold longs at 900. Yes. Oh boy. So I need to go MGC M4, Q4. So here is where I'm exiting them all.
Order filled.
Order filled. So 1K up on this account. That's good. And on this particular one, I'm also exiting my gold short. Boom. There you go. Easy money. Fading the CPIs on gold is a good strategy. Sometimes it doesn't work, but whenever we get that market structure shift, right here is where I'm going to take those shorts. So where did I take the shorts? I took the shorts here after the break of these lows and price failing to make hold on, let me closing goals. I'm gonna send this to the VIPs. Closing gold shorts here, fading CPI. Fading CPI for 1.3R. That's good. So I'm up 2.5R on the week with the VIPs. Now I'm gonna create a video short here. Now a video explaining what I saw. All right. So heads up to this because yeah, I'm gonna enter my Squawk Live. Does anybody know a good home remedy for mosquitoes? Because I live in a woodsy zone and it's rainy season here in the tropics, and those mosquitoes are fucking killing me. I've heard
Player refreshed.
I've heard cinnamon, but I don't know. So fading euro, no. I've been looking at crude oil lately, but we don't have anything going on here. Nasdaq, still very much long for before CPI. So we faded half the move on CPIs, right? Oh shit, this is not the one. We faded half the move on CPI. I'm okay with that. Let's call the move on CPI from the low of the day, right? So a little more than half the move of fading half the move of CPI is very good. Okay, so orders. Order field. Here's how I stand on these 300K evaluations. Yeah, I'm taking this easy. I don't need to get funded immediately and risking, hitting max drawdown because I want to get this 2.4 million very fast. Yeah, my dogs are protecting the house. All right, so we're going to stay here for a while because I am going to. And also, this is a big investment on myself because these are 600, almost $700 each. Oh. Good trade, man. Good trade. I don't know if I'm gonna be done for the day, but at least, no, I'm gonna stay here for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna record this video. All right. I'm gonna record this video, so I'm gonna go a little big here. No. All right, traders, how are you? Now, today we had CPIs, and here we go. Let's go to Forex Factory. Core CPIs were lower than expected. CPI month over month lower than expected, and CPI year over year on the US lower than expected. The USD crashed. So we had a very a big push upwards in gold, right? And with the VIPs, we faded that move. Here's that trade. We entered, or I entered, around 23.51. A little late, 23.51. I would have entered at 23.53, but we exited at the low of the move, so we made about 1.2 or 1.3 R on this trade because our stop losses were above the structure high. Now, the P&L for the day is I don't know, about 1K for these eight 300K accounts, about 3K up. So I'm 17K from targets. Now let me explain what I saw here. Actually, I can show you here a little bit settings. The entry. I entered this one first, so this will be trading. This will be executions. Okay, so that was the entry. That was the best entry because this is the one that entered first, and we exited at the bottom of the move. Right, so we faded half the CPI move. You can see it here. If we grab the Fibonacci tool, that line is just a 50% retracement. We faded half the move. So what do I do? This is a strategy that I trade almost every CPI, right? Fading gold, fading the CPI on gold. It's a strategy that has a high probability of success, has a high win rate. Sometimes it doesn't work. Right, sometimes it doesn't work, but it works best when I trade it on a higher time frame point of interest. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, you can see here that we have a ton going on for this. First of all, we do have let's go to the hourly chart actually. On the hourly chart, right here we have this order block. Right here we have this order block, boom, mitigating that OB. We have an inverted fair value gap also here on the or an inverted on the hourly chart right there. So we do have a high time frame point of interest. Uh, IFVG. There you go. We do have a high time frame point of interest, so we are interested in fading the gold market here on after CPI. So we need to wait for price hitting that high time frame point of interest first, and then creating a changing character or a market structure shift. Now, when price liquidated this equal lows, right, and more so because here is where buyers liquidated those last highs, and it creates that market structure shift, right? And I entered on a pullback manually. I do not wait for that. I mean, we had an imbalance here, but that's okay. I don't wait because we are fading a very volatile market. I manually enter on a pullback whenever I see struggle or sellers jumping in again, and I fade half of the move. That's the strategy on fading CPIs, and this time it worked perfectly. Now, I didn't trade it live because it was only for my VIPs this time, but next time, just don't miss my shows and come trade with me because, I mean, yeah, so that's the whole strategy behind CPIs, man. Now, are we going to trade this fair value gap? Nah, why the fuck not? Right there, IFVG, this is an imbalance, mate. All right, we do have that imbalance here, or bearish imbalance. Let's wait and see what happens, right? We might be able to trade this to the downside or to the upside. Who the fuck knows, right? Let me explain that. For the time being, I'm going to upload and create the. We got some, you know what? We got some very nice liquidity building up here. Ooh, whoo, whoo, whoo. Yes, now, let's trade it. All right, we do have that liquid. Let's wait and see what happens because we do have liquidity to the downside too, right here. So, if we fade, hold on. All right. Let's wait because this one looks phenomenal. Yeah, we are trading within the box right now. We are trading within the fucking box. I do have this. I'm not gonna place a blind sell limit here. Here's that target liquidity at the lows. Yeah, or this. I don't know. This is fine, I guess. So liquidated the lows. Now break of structure. Oh shit. Yeah, fuck mosquitoes. They're shit. Oh, right. It's just an All right. So, hunting gold shorts after this win on gold. Here's my execution for those who just got in. We are fading CPIs, and I mean that's a strategy that I trade fading CPI. I mean it's not a strategy per se, but because it's the same entry model, I only trade one entry model. I mean, and the F1 strategy, right? But it's the same entry model, only that this is just fading CPIs. All right, are we going to get this or not? Nasdaq had a little nice little bull flag then pumped. Let's, uh, let's see. Oh yeah, uh huh. Not within my strategy, man. I mean, I only trade one entry model. If it doesn't, if I don't have any setups, I don't take any trades. That's just how it is. I've been set apart. Set apart. Oh, baby. I don't know if we are going to still get some a liquidation of these highs. Uh huh. So most of you, why did you close that short in gold? We are still running. Well, mates, I follow my entry model. I follow my plan for that, and my plan is to fade a 50% of the move, which we did. And yeah, I mean, if that's how I planned to trade this market, then that's how I planned. And because it's CPIs, I don't leave any runners. I take my money and run. And also we have Fed Day today, so fuck. It's going to be very volatile during Fed Day. Now I love trading Fed Day, but I'm not gonna do that today because I mean last time that I traded Fed Day, I made a nice bunch of money, but it was super risky, and I did it from my phone, and I didn't follow my entry model. So I guess it was luck. It wasn't luck because I knew what I was looking at, but I'm not gonna do that again. All right, maybe we're going to get this possible short here. Now I'm looking at entering right at the bottom of that imbalance with my stop losses right above this entry short, targeting the lows of the moves of 493R. Right, I could probably place some sell limits now, but I do want to see how price and if we get here, how price is going to react. Now that we broke with the, I mean, we had that market structure shift and a break of structure. Now the short side is pretty much in play, right? I mean, the short side was in play after, my setup here, but we should be waiting for. We already made money on this market. So I'm just gonna wait here. maybe talk about my dogs if I don't have any questions. Not fading anything else. See, I mean, CPI moves work only. I mean, at least that's what my trading data says. Only work on gold, right? Trading those CPI moves. I mean, you can make the point about trading CPIs or fading CPIs in other, metals market. But I only have the data for gold. I mean, this is super strong, and as you can see, a ton of sellers being fucked along the fucking way. Let's see what happens here because I haven't been able to find a good spot to trade. Let's look at the chart, right? Yeah, I mean, there's no setups here to trade petroleum. I mean, this is crude oil, right? Petroleum. I think I recommend the F1. Let's have a look at the F1 strategy. I didn't trade the F1 strategy today. I mean, there was a big ass storm. I normally start my day at 2 a.m. Uh, but yeah, there was a big ass storm. Oh my God! Just have a look at that beautiful F1 strategy set up on the futures market, even the S&P 500. I mean, the F1 strategy works on all markets. Booyah shaka! Beautiful F1 long here on crude oil. I knew it. So I didn't trade the F1 today because that storm, I guess some branches fell and I lost power during. I mean, and there's no support, right? Technical support at 2 a.m. At 2 a.m. Right? So no trade for me until the open, which was good because we are up for the day, right? I don't know what to tell you, but I do dig it. Can you dig it? All right, so I'm gonna replace all my white lines with blue. I do this from time to time, just change the colors on my chart. I just like it. I don't like looking at the same things or same colors over and over and over. Oh, I need to take a screenshot of this. Oh, baby. And this should be here. You know what? Here. And I'm going to place orange. And this is an IFBG. Yes. All right, I'm just creating the screenshot I mean, I did a YouTube video. There you go. Oh, 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 oh. Yesterday, my dog had an altercation with a neighbor. I mean, this fucker, you know what she does? She has two big dogs. I don't know what breed they are. But she has to, and she walks them at night without a leash. And these motherfuckers, they go into my at the yard around my house and pee and poo all over the place. So I mean, I've sent a couple of messages to the manager. We live in a gated society, gated community. But he hasn't done anything. And yesterday, those dogs attacked my dogs, and I almost killed them. So now, now my complaint has been heard. Fuck those dogs. All right, so this is it. This is going to be. All right, pool RSI. We may have a divergence. All right, cool, man. Yeah, sure. Hold on. So cap wing. I'm gonna do my thing whilst we wait. RSI divergence. I don't have the RSI here. RSI relative strength index. I don't know. Yeah, maybe probably bullish divergence here. I don't trust this fucking thing. I'm gonna teach you something. Most people use oscillators in the wrong way. They have overbought and oversold conditions, and you know what? I'm gonna give too much secret, so no, I'm not gonna teach you that because that's how we use our oscillator here for the F1 strategy. So no, I'm not gonna talk about that. But I see what you mean. Capwing. So this is what I used to create my content. It's a pretty nice piece of equipment. And here I can look for anything. Shapes of the chart and block, record, move, bomb. Arrows, yes. But I don't want a GIF. I want an image. Arrow. Oh, but I want an image with no background. Oh, I had them here. Yeah, this one sucks. This one sucks too. Here's green locked. Boom. All right, I'm gonna play some alerts here because we are about to trade short the gold side. To trade gold the short side, add alert. There you go. So now I'm gonna get alerted once gold hits that mark, so we can trade it. And I guess I'm gonna use this one. No. Yeah, this one is the one. So the other way around here. Boom. This is the thumbnail for a YouTube video I'm gonna upload right now because oh shite. Because you don't ask me anything. I'm gonna do what I have to do. Now here, maybe a little, oh boy, like this, and like this. Yeah. And here comes the money. Money, money, money. In the background, I don't like it. I'm gonna put it below fading US CPI. Fading CPI. Yeah, that's good. All right, let's have a look at that gold. Still, we're waiting for that liquidation. I guess I could place my sell limits here. I'll probably do that. Download. All right, so I guess I'm gonna place them. I don't know. Can we look at pound yen? Sure. I mean, there's nothing to do about the Japanese yen. I mean, if you were to trade the pound yen, I mean that would be a Japanese yen-driven move. But there's nothing to do, mate. Just have a look at this beautiful drop here. Well, pound yen. All right, let's have a look here on the main pound yen. Pound yen. All right, so I guess I was a good thing to be. I don't know if I would have gotten stopped out completely. I don't know, but it was a good decision. I don't know what to tell you, mate. I wouldn't trade this market. All right, so let's delete all of this. Remove drawings. We have liquidated these lows right here. I was a oh shit. You know what? I'm gonna use the line right here. So I don't have any point of interest at all, man. At all, what I don't know, but all right, we liquidated those lows and bounced from it. So if I were you, I would be looking for longs along this, probably here. Probably already missed it. A very big imbalance here. Very big imbalance. Probably missed it, man, because I mean, we broke with the structure, change characters. We have liquidity on the upside, so price already mitigated that imbalance and is going up after the liquidation of those lows. This looks like a good setup. I wouldn't have traded it, but yeah, I mean, talking about this liquidation, changing character, here's where the market structure will shift long, etc., etc., etc. I wouldn't trade it, but you know, to each his own. What I'm looking in is gold, 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 gold. And I need to write this. Oh boy. Oh, baby. All right, we are very close, very close. Hola, señora.
Hola, mi señora. Aditi. Aditi.
Oh, baby. I don't know if I'm gonna take this trade, man. I think I'm gonna wrap this day up right now with a win. This is a very volatile day. We have Fed day, etc. day, blah blah blah. We already. I traded my strategy on CPI day, which is fade the CPI move on gold by 50%, and I'm happy with it. So I'm gonna end things up here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep things tight. I'm good with this gold short, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, man. I will be back tomorrow. Cheers.